Hello guys, this is Leetcode problem 754, reach a number. So in this question we are given that we are standing at position 0 on an infinite number line, and there is a goal, that is the target, and we can move either in left or right direction, and during the nth move we can take maximum, and we can take exactly n steps. So suppose the target is 2 and we need to take some steps. During the first step we can take, and during the first move we can take one step. During the second move we took 2 steps back, and during the third move we took 3 steps forward. That is how we reached at the position 2. So if we are able to reach at the position 2, then we return the value. And also, given that we need to find the minimum number of moves. Minimization problem it is. So there is one observation here which you can look at. So it's symmetric along the x-axis. So suppose our target is minus 50 or plus 50, but the answer will remain same. Suppose over here minus for 50, suppose x is the answer. So for either minus 50 or plus 50, the answer will be x only. So how this information is useful is because if we are given minus 50 in question, then we can turn that into plus 50 and solve it and then return the output. So we don't have to deal with negative inputs as a input. So we just have to consider the positive inputs. Now let us consider this number line. Suppose our target is 10 over here. So what we can do, in the first step we can take in the first move we can take one step. In the second move we can take 2 steps. In the third move we can take 3 steps. In the fourth move we can take 4 steps. So output is here 4. Now suppose let us try to see what happens if we try to invert one of these moves. Like suppose the move and the second move is from 1 to 3. Let us try to invert its direction. Let us see what happens in that case. So here 4 steps took 4 moves took us to 10. So let us see in that case what happens. So here I have drawn it. So it is like from 0 to 1 we took one step. This is the first move, and our second move was from 1 to minus 1, third move is from minus 1 to 2, fourth move is from 2 to 6. So you can see that the difference that is getting generated is an even number, like diff mod 2 equals to 0. See, so just in order to verify this assumption, let us try to invert the third move and see what happens. So yeah, I have drawn it. So basically it is from 0 to 1, that is one for the this is the first move and it is of one step, and second move is from 1 to 3, this is 2 steps, and third move which you took in the positive direction, now we took it in the negative direction, that is minus 3, and then we took the fourth move as the positive plus 4. So now as you can see, the difference is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is the difference. Again 6 mod 2 is equal to 0. This means that whenever we try to invert any of these signs, any of the direction, then the difference which we get is basically an even number. To understand how we can use this valuable observation we have observed over here is that basically let us take this example. Suppose the target is 8. Let's try to understand how we can do that. Our first step should be 1, second step should be 2, second move should be 2 steps, third move should be 3 steps, and fourth move should be 4 steps. So now at this point you can see that we have crossed our target. So but we can understand that the target, whatever we have reached till now, minus the target, that is the difference we are finding, is basically a multiple of 2. So if it is a multiple of 2, then we can rearrange some of these one of these steps so that it will give a multiple of 2. As you can see over here, if we changed the number from this positive 2 to minus 2, then we got a difference of 4. So what if we change the first number positive 1 to minus 1, then it will give us a difference of of 2. So we can verify that. Let us see. Suppose at first step we took 1 minus 1, this is minus 1. So now from here we took 2 steps, and then third move is we took 3 steps, and fourth move is 1 2 3 4, that is we took 4 steps. So this is how we can see that if it is a difference of, if the the total sum minus target is a difference of 2, then we can readjust any of our steps to reach to that point. So as I have summarized, so from the previous observation we got that sum minus target is if it is an even number, then you can readjust any of our previous path to get the target, as we just saw over here. So here sum minus target is basically a 2. So we can we were able to readjust the one pointer and we got the value. But if sum minus target mod 2 is not an even number, sum minus target is not an even number, then we try to add some more steps actually. So let us understand this with this example, that is target is equals to 12. So at the first step we took 1, second move we took 2 steps, third move we took 3, until 5. So till the fifth step we were able to get 15 as a value. But since 15 is greater than 12, so sum minus target is equals to 3, and 3 we can see that it's not an even number. So what we do is we add one step. So we added 6 over here. So 15 plus 6 is 21 basically. 21 minus 12 is again an odd number, that is 9. 9 mod 2 is not equals to 0. So we add one more step. Now we added 7. So we have 21 plus 7. Up till here this is 21 plus 7 is 28 minus 12 is basically 16. So 16 mod 2 is equals to 0. So at this point we found that total steps is equals to 7. So we have simply 2 steps. If sum minus target is even, then just print the number of steps we have taken till now. And second decision is, if sum minus target is odd, then till we get even sum minus target, we continue the step. That's all.